say that...
You're trying to display your power to me right now.
I'm concerned about it. Is there a problem to be concerned about another human being?
Subscribe and embark on an exhilarating odyssey where police interaction intertwines with concealed secrets, lawsuits, and rampant misconduct. In a tense encounter on the road, a law enforcement officer unlawfully detained a man and seemingly disregarded his constitutional rights, as the man exercised his amendment rights by choosing not to answer any questions. The situation escalated as the officer appeared to be on a power trip.
Really, these California cops have nothing better to do with their time. I'm parked out of everybody's way. It's not a parking spot, but I'm out of everybody's way. And this guy's going full bonkers on me. This guy's a real jerk.
All right, Mr. Proctor. That is your last name.
A YouTuber and a travel enthusiast, Mark Proctor, parked his vehicle with his dog Bravo in an undesignated spot at a private parking lot in Millbrae, California. He briefly left the car for 2 minutes to get a carryout order from a nearby Hawaiian barbecue. When he returned, an officer from the San Francisco Police Department, whose identification is partially covered, approached him and issued a parking violation citation.
Everything okay?
Do I need to answer any of your questions?
You don't have to answer anything, dude.
Okay.
You don't have to. Lucky you stand here all day. I get paid either way.
Can you go ahead and finish your job so I can carry on?
What's with the anger, dude?
I'm not angry.
You're not angry? You always talk to everybody like that?
I'm not angry.
Oh, okay.
I just want you to go ahead and wrap things up, please.
Okay.
The police officer said this to Mark Proctor.
Lucky you stand here all day. I get paid either way.
This cop is clearly violating his Fourth Amendment rights. In the case of Florida versus Royer, it states, quote, "Law enforcement officers do not violate the Fourth Amendment by merely approaching an individual on the street or in another public place by asking him if he is willing to answer some questions. However, the person need not answer any question put to him. Indeed, he may decline to listen to the questions at all and may go on his way. The officer stating that he can stay there all day till he agrees to answer his questions is a clear violation of the law and may not escape legal consequences if charged."
All right, well, I'm gonna give you a break on it, but you know what I'm saying? This isn't a parking spot, okay, dude?
You're not giving me a break. You're harassing me at this point. I'd like to leave. May I leave now, please?
Well, do you understand?
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
All right. So do you understand why I stopped you?
Do I need to answer any more of your questions?
You don't have to.
Okay.
Okay. But then again, I could do this all day too.
Okay.
All right, so would you like to leave?
In the present scenario, the cop asks him if he would like to leave after stating that he is under detention without any valid reason. When Mark poses the same question, he declines, revealing the cop's ignorance.
I'd like to leave. May I leave now, please?
Mr. Proctor, would you like to leave?
Do I need to answer any more of your questions?
Hello. No. I'm not the one that's acting this way, okay? I'm just asking you to do, I'm trying to give you a break here, all right?
I prefer you just write me the parking ticket and let me go.
Right, okay. Oh, okay. All right, dude. I was trying to be nice to you. All righty. Would you hold on? Right in front of the Hawaiian that they're driving, all right? Yeah. So just to let you know what's going on. We're having another guy coming over real quick. Traffic guy with a side book, since you want a ticket. So otherwise, I didn't want to go through all this hassle. You know what I'm saying? Queensland?
I'm sorry, I'm sure you're a nice guy. I'm not in the mood to have conversation.
Won't be long. Hopefully I'm not keeping you from anything, am I? No, I don't like talking to you. All right. Is everything okay? Is there any other issues or anything going on that I should know of?
Do I need to answer your questions?
You don't have to answer anything. I'm concerned about your well-being. Is there something wrong?
Do I need to answer any of your questions?
Well, yeah, if there's something wrong, it would be nice, yeah.
Do I need to answer any of your questions?
You don't have to talk to me. I'm just saying. I'm just concerned about your well-being. That's all I'm saying. Usually we don't get people hostile.
I've not been hostile.
Okay. Well, usually we don't get people wanting a ticket. You know what I'm saying? I'm going through all this. I could be having my lunch right now. And you too. Hey, Jimmy, where are you coming from, man? Philly City? There's a lot of traffic. Dang, dude, it's gonna start raining out here. I know, people are rude nowadays. You know. All right, so how long is it gonna take you to get here?
The cop is violating his individual civil rights. Mark Proctor only wants a ticket written so that he can continue on his business. But the power-tripping officer unlawfully detains him and keeps answering phone calls. A police officer does not have the right to prolong a traffic stop. It is made clear here. The U.S. Supreme Court forbids police from prolonging traffic stops. In the 2009 case of Arizona versus Johnson, the Supreme Court states, quote, that a lawful roadside stop ordinarily begins when a vehicle is pulled over for a traffic violation and ends when the police no longer have further need to control the scene, at which time the driver and passengers are free to leave. Because of this, the Supreme Court ruled that during a traffic stop, police officers are not allowed to ask questions about unrelated matters to avoid violating people's Fourth Amendment rights. The cop is wrong in every aspect and doesn't care either. Realizing that the cop is fooling around, Mark decided to help him and waste more time by smoking. When the cop sees that he doesn't care either, he decides to reason with Mark.
Yeah. Yep. Nah. Alright, dude. Well, we'll be waiting, dude. Hurry up, dude. It's kind of my lunchtime. Alright, I'm waiting for you. Alright. Bye. Hey, Mr. Proctor, can I give you your stuff so you can leave?
Can you?
I can, but you're the one. I would have let you go a long time ago.
What do I need to do for you to hand me my documents so I can leave?
I'll give it to you right now. I just want to know that, you know, you're okay, because usually I don't get people all this.
What do I need to do for you to hand me my documents so I can be on my way?
You're okay.
I don't need to answer any of your questions.
Hey, there we go again. Jesus Christ. You know? I'm trying to say that...
You're trying to display your power to me right now.
I'm concerned about it. Is there a problem to be concerned about another human being?
You have no reason to be concerned about me.
So it's okay then. You're okay then.
You can hand me my documents and I can be on my way. Or we can...
Okay. So if I hand you your stuff, you'll be fine and taken off and you're not angry, right? You're not gonna... Okay, here, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna take a chance on you, right here. Mr. Proctor, everything's cool, all right? We're blocking traffic here to your stuff. All right, hopefully you have a good day. Everything works out for you, all right?
Am I free to leave now?
Yes, you are.
Could you please step away from the vehicle?
Yes, I will. You have a good day.
Despite the cop's persistent efforts to find faults with Mr. Proctor, his composure in the situation effectively silenced the officer. Unable to discover any wrongdoing, the cop departed feeling ashamed. Mr. Proctor's wise decision to exercise his right to remain silent proved instrumental in prevailing over the power-tripping officer's attempts to find grounds for arrest.
Time to get the fuck out of California. Fuck California.
If you want to watch more police cam stories, subscribe and turn on notifications for more. Enjoy the next video.